Welcome to the Algarve, a sun-drenched paradise nestled along Portugal's southern coast. Renowned for its stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, the Algarve beckons travelers from around the globe to indulge in unforgettable experiences and create lasting memories. As you embark on your journey through this enchanting region, prepare to be captivated by its diverse landscapes and endless opportunities for adventure. From exploring hidden sea caves and encountering to embarking on thrilling off-road excursions and basking in the warmth of the Mediterranean sun, the Algarve offers a myriad of experiences that cater to every taste and preference. Join us as we delve into the best summer activities that the Algarve has to offer, guiding you through an immersive exploration of its most iconic destinations and hidden gems. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping thrills, tranquil moments of relaxation, or cultural discoveries that will leave you in awe, the Algarve promises to exceed your expectations at every turn. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination soar as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the sun-kissed landscapes and azure waters of the Algarve. Get ready to discover why this enchanting region is truly a destination like no other. Our first stop is Portugal, a coastal town known for its stunning rock formations and pristine beaches. Here, you can embark on a speedboat tour, an exhilarating journey that takes you through hidden sea caves and towering cliffs. Opt for the sunset option and witness the Algarve's coastline bathed in golden light, creating a magical atmosphere that you'll never forget. Next up, we head to Lagos, with its historic charm, scenic beauty, and boundless adventures. Lagos invites you to explore its vibrant streets, ancient landmarks, and breathtaking beaches. Join a dolphin-watching half-day cruise and set sail along the Algarve's rugged coastline in search of playful dolphins. Along the way, enjoy thrilling water activities, such as snorkeling and swimming, immersing yourself in the beauty of the Algarve's underwater world. Welcome to Albufeira, a coastal paradise on Portugal's southern coast. With its sun-drenched beaches, lively atmosphere, and charming old town, Albufeira invites visitors to indulge in endless days of relaxation and adventure. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you embark on an off-road quad tour, riding on gravel roads, mountain tracks, and rocky paths as you feel the thrill of adrenaline. For those seeking a bird's-eye view of the coastline, a parasailing tour is a must-do. Choose from single, double, or triple rides and soar high above the azure waters, taking in panoramic views of the Algarve's breathtaking landscapes. Finally, no trip to the Algarve would be complete without a visit to the iconic Benadryl Cave. Carved by centuries of wind and waves, these captivating sea caves are renowned for their striking beauty and unique formations where sparkling waters and golden cliffs create a magical setting unlike any other. Join a guided kayaking tour and paddle your way through crystal-clear waters, admiring the stunning coastal scenery along the way. So whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply want to soak up the sun, the Algarve has something for everyone. Thank you for watching. We hope you're inspired to embark on your own Algarve adventure. Don't forget to check the links in the description to book your activities. See you in the next video, and until then, happy travels.